This is chicken biryani, but before it reaches your plate, it travels through one of the most fascinating food factories on earth.
Every great chicken biryani begins here, in the rice fields of dawn. Long-grain basmati, both the sole grain of authentic biryani mani, is gathered with care. Only the finest grains move forward, the first step toward chicken biryani. Cardamom, one of the fragrant spices that gives chicken biryani its signature aroma.
Cinnamon and star anise, warm spices essential to the biryani masala blend.
Saffron, the golden thread that colors and perfumes every grain of biryani rice. Sweet red onions, caramelized deep into the base of every chicken biryani.
Tomatoes bring the rich, tangy depth to the biryani gravy. Fresh mint and coriander bring brightness to every layer of biryani. The chicken for our biryani begins its journey on a farm built for care and quality.
Well-fed, well-raised poultry, the foundation of authentic chicken biryani. Every bird is checked and approved before it enters the food supply chain.
Golden ghee, made from fresh dairy, adds richness to every biryani layer.
Ginger and garlic paste form the aromatic backbone of the biryani masala.
Green chilies bring the signature heat to chicken biryani.
Whole spices, sun-dried and hand-sorted, complete the biryani's flavor foundation. Every ingredient for chicken biryani is gathered, checked and prepared for its journey. Precious spices, carefully packed, make their way toward transformation.
This is where raw ingredients begin their transformation into a beloved dish. Every load is verified before entering. Safety and quality start at the gate. The convoy arrives. Rice, spices, vegetables, and poultry, together at last. Basmati rice makes its first step inside the facility. Poultry arrives cold and fresh, ready for the next stage of preparation.
Delicate spices are handled with precision to preserve their aroma.
Fresh vegetables move swiftly toward the sorting and cleaning stage.
Fresh ghee arrives, ready to enrich every layer of chicken biryani.
Their journey complete, the trucks depart. But for the ingredients, the real transformation is just beginning.
Every ingredient has arrived in Bunt. Now, the chicken biryani factory comes to life.
This is where chicken biryani takes shape, from raw ingredients to finished dish.
Every day begins with the people who bring this process to life.
Strict hygiene protocols ensure every step meets food safety standards. Behind every batch of biryani is careful planning and precision.
This is the heart of the factory, Antriyant, where chicken biryani begins its transformation.
Every ingredient is logged and verified before entering production. Basmati rice moves toward its first transformation, winter-dyed, cleaning and sorting.
Poultry enters a carefully controlled cold zone, preserving freshness.
Spices are stored with precision, preserving the aromas that define biryani.
Fresh vegetables wait in careful storage, ready for the next stage.
Golden ghee flows precisely, measured for perfect biryani richness.
Quality control begins the moment ingredients arrive.
Every stage of production is monitored in real time for consistency and safety.
The rice's journey through the factory truly begins.
The poultry line comes alive, ready for careful preparation.
Old spices are about to be transformed into the aromatic heart of biryani masala.
Vegetables begin their journey through washing and preparation.
With every system running, the transformation into chicken biryani has truly begun. Every grain is cleaned of impurities before it earns its place in biryani. Advanced sorting ensures only the finest basmati grains move forward. A thorough wash prepares the rice for its final resting and soaking stage. Soaking allows each grain to prepare for the perfect biryani texture.
Poultry is thoroughly cleaned, meeting strict hygiene standards.
Each piece is portioned with care, ready to absorb rich biryani flavors.
Quality checks continue at every stage, ensuring consistent excellence. Onions are cleaned and prepared, ready to be caramelized to perfection. Tomatoes are washed and inspected before adding their rich flavor to the dish.
Ginger and garlic are cleaned and peeled, ready to become aromatic paste. Only the finest graded spices are selected for the biryani masala blend.
Fresh herbs and chilies are cleaned, preserving their vibrant flavor and color.
Rice is drained and measured precisely for consistent batch quality.
Precision batching guarantees every serving of biryani meets the same high standard. Every ingredient stands ready, cleaned and prepared for the heart of the process. Marination begins, though, the first step in building deep, layered flavor. Sliced onions prepare for the golden caramelization that defines biryani's aroma. With everything cleaned, sorted, and prepared, chicken biryani moves into its core transformation. This is where chicken biryani truly begins to take shape.
Marination time ensures every piece of chicken absorbs deep, rich flavor. Resting allows the marinade to fully develop before cooking begins. Golden fried onions bring biryani its signature sweetness and aroma.
The gravy base simmers, building the deep flavors essential to biryani. Chicken joins the gravy, beginning its slow infusion of flavor.
The chicken curry develops its rich, aromatic depth before meeting the rice.
Tempered whole spices release their essential oils, deepening the biryani's aroma. Rice is parboiled to precisely the right texture, a crucial biryani technique. Drained and steaming, the rice is ready for the layering that defines biryani. Saffron milk will paint each layer of rice with color and fragrance. Now begins the art of layering, where biryani takes its final form. The first layer of rice forms the foundation of every biryani pot. Chicken curry layers in, infusing the rice with deep flavor from below.
Fried onions and fresh herbs add the finishing touch to each flavorful layer.
The final layer is set contain, sealed and ready for the slow magic of dum cooking. Sealed tight, the pot now heads toward its final, transformative cooking stage. With every layer sealed in place, chicken biryani enters its final transformation. The slow cook of dum. Inside the dum oven, the slow transformation of chicken biryani begins. Dozens of pots cook simultaneously, each on its own slow journey to perfection.
Precise temperature control ensures every pot cooks evenly, low and slow. Inside, rice and chicken slowly merge into one unified, fragrant dish.
Patience is the secret ingredient. Dum cooking cannot be rushed.
After hours of slow cooking, the moment of reveal has arrived.
The pot emerges, carrying the fully developed flavors of chicken biryani within. The seal breaks, releasing the full aroma of a perfectly cooked biryani.
Layers of rice, chicken and spiced date chicken biryani, fully transformed.
A gentle fold confirms perfect texture, separate grains, rich flavor throughout.
Every batch is checked for the perfect color, aroma and texture.
Dozens of pots, each one a perfectly cooked batch of chicken biryani. Consistent portioning ensures every serving delivers the same great taste. Each portion captures every layer in piti: rice, chicken, spice, and aroma.
Even the cooking vessels are cared for, maintained for the next batch. Clean vessels ensure every new batch begins with the same high standard.
As one batch finishes, another begins. A continuous cycle of fresh chicken biryani.
With the cooking complete, chicken biryani now enters the world of precision automation. Chicken biryani now moves through the precision of modern automation.
Robotic precision ensures every portion meets exact weight standards. Vision-guided systems ensure every tray is perfectly positioned before sealing. Each tray is sealed instantly, locking in freshness and aroma. Every tray is labeled with precision, batch, date, and full transparency for consumers. Advanced scanning technology ensures every tray is safe before it moves forward. X-ray precision adds another layer of assurance to every batch. Robotic arms pack each case with speed and remarkable consistency. Sealed and secure, each case is ready for the next stage of tracking. Every case is tracked digitally, ensuring full traceability from factory to table. Robotic palletizing stacks each case with mechanical precision and care.
Each pallet is secured and ready for its journey to storage.
Autonomous vehicles move each pallet efficiently through the facility.
Every automated system is monitored in real time, ensuring seamless production.
Automation brings speed and precision to every step of the biryani journey.
Data-driven quality assurance keeps every batch consistent and reliable. Regular diagnostics keep every automated system running at peak performance.
With automation complete, Chicken Biryani moves toward its final precision finishing. In this final stage, every detail of Chicken Biryani is perfected.
A final touch of garnish completes the visual appeal of every serving. Visual inspection technology ensures every tray looks as good as it tastes. Precise temperature checks ensure freshness and food safety at every step.
A clear display lid showcases the finished dish, ready for the shelf.
Each tray now carries its final identity, ready to reach the customer. Every seal is verified, guaranteeing freshness from factory to fork.
Precision sorting ensures every variant of Chicken Biryani reaches its correct line. Retail-ready cartons prepare Chicken Biryani for store shelves everywhere.
Every variant of Chicken Biryani receives its own signature finishing touch.
Family-size portions receive the same careful attention to detail. Precision finishing brings Chicken Biryani to its final, polished form. Random samples are pulled for laboratory testing, the final layer of assurance.
A final human check complements the automation, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Even packaging waste is managed responsibly throughout the process.
A final walkthrough confirms every line is performing at its best.
Before storage, every batch awaits final clearance from quality control. With finishing complete, Chicken Biryani now faces its final rigorous testing.
In the lab, Chicken Biryani faces its final and most rigorous scrutiny.
Every sample is carefully logged before undergoing detailed analysis.
Microbiological testing ensures every batch is safe for consumption. Precise moisture analysis confirms the perfect biryani rice texture. Flavor consistency is verified down to the molecular level.
Nutritional accuracy ensures every label reflects the true content within.
Every batch of Chicken Biryani rests safely in storage, ready for its journey to customers.
And this is how modern factories produce Chicken Biryani, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.